So hello guys, this is Fusion and I'm watching random interesting facts. So let's move on to the video. French fries was originated in Belgium, not in France. A dog nose print is just as unique as human fingerprint and can be used to identify them. In the game Super Mario Bros, Mario hits bricks with his fist, not with his head. Iceland is the only country with no mosquitoes. On May 16, 2020, the Moon, Venus and Jupiter aligned to form a smiley face. A Russian businessman who earns more than 15 crore per year has become a delivery boy after getting bored of staying indoor. He earns around 1500 rupees per day. A mirror image of California fire looks like a demon dragon. A man recently won $1 million lottery prize twice in one day with the same number. What a luck, buddy. Penguins have to be known to push a fellow penguin onto the water to check if the water is safe and clear of predators. A fan got 1 year ban from stadium, so he decided to rent a crane to watch the game. A modern Formula 1 car can drive upside down in a tunnel at 120 miles per hour. A mobile phone throwing is an official sport in Finland, which is sponsored by phone recycling companies. Its world record holder is Tom Philip. A man planted 7,000 trees to make guitar shape forest as a tribute to his wife. A woman recently found that the plant that she has been watering about 2 years was actually made up of plastic. A mother listening to her dead son's heartbeat inside the girl his heart was donated to. The world's largest coin pyramid made up of 1 million coins made by European physics students. The ice creams. We see ice creams in ads is actually mashed potatoes because they will not melt during production. When Charlie Puth was 2 years old, he was attacked by a dog which almost killed him and gave him the famous eyebrow slits. When filming a video at a concert using your phone, put a finger over your phone microphone. It will sound clearly when it plays back. This is what rain looks like from an aeroplane. Underneath the streets of Belgium, there are over a million people who live in nuclear bunkers. It's not a stuck cruise ship. The floating cruise ship is actually a specialty resort hotel in South Korea. Blue whale heart is so big that small child could swim through it. There is a dinosaur egg candle that hatches a baby raptor when it melts. Blue animals are rare in nature, but they look epic. After you die, your brain knows you are dead. It will take 0 to 10 minutes for complete shutdown of your brain activities. Bill Gates aimed to become a millionaire by the age of 30. However, he became a billionaire by 31.